This is AutoLatch STD, an innovative semi-automatic window lock that's easy to fix and built to last. Suitable for wooden, steel, aluminium, concrete, WPC and more, it's designed for all types of windows. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to install AutoLatch STD with ease. First, keep the window pane closed. Mark a vertical line for alignment, then mark the center point for fixing the female part, the door clamp. This ensures the male part, the hook set, stays perfectly aligned during installation. Now, place the door clamp on the markings and fix it with 2 screws. Tighten the screws in the provided holes. The oval-shaped design allows easy adjustment for perfect alignment. After fixing the door clamp, close the window again and insert the hook set, with its locking portion fitting into the door clamp. Hold it firmly in place, then fix the hook set onto the window jamb as shown. Make sure the locking portion is inserted properly and aligned to the center, as shown. Tighten the hook set with screws in the holes provided. The oval-shaped holes allow fine adjustments for perfect fitting. The fitting is now complete. Locking is very easy. Simply shut the window pane and the AutoLatch locks automatically, with no manual effort required. The door clamp is designed in a handle shape, making it easy to pull the window from inside. To open, just press once and it releases instantly. Its unique design also keeps the lock in the open position when pressed, making it effortless to open windows with 2 or more AutoLatches installed. You don't need to press all locks at once. Pressing one keeps it open, and after pressing the next, the window opens smoothly. Thanks for watching.
Mekafur, inspired to be creative.